What's going on, everyone? Dominic Dominator with the Veterans Den channel. Bringing you some news about something that happened or was posted not by a wide range of media outlets and not by a wide range of news outlets either. Um, I could take a guess as to why, and you probably could too once I start getting into this story. But something that caught my eye last night that I kind of started looking into and decided to do a video about it this morning. Also, too, we'll see how YouTube takes it. So I don't know if this video will be seen, taken down, or I get a strike. I will definitely have this on my Rumble because Rumble will allow me to talk about this for sure. But a trans daycare worker by the name of Maria Childers was pretty much let off the hook yesterday in a plea deal to get charges lowered or lessened. So back, I believe, in February or March of 2023, possibly February 8th of 2023, this person was taken into custody, Maria Childers, on an investigation that they were abusing children whenever Maria Childers would change the diapers, would abuse them. And fast forward to yesterday, the plea deal went through because Maria Childers secured a woke lawyer who argued that being in jail and solitary confinement is not good for this person, their client, and they don't give out estrogen pills because they are transitioning. So, unfortunately, crazily, the court agreed. So the court, instead of them going to jail, instead of them having a bond of $100,000 to get be bailed out of jail, the court lowered the bail to $5,000 and then went on to allow them to go home and just have an ankle monitor on them. Now, one thing I haven't looked into, maybe because there's just no information as of yet, I haven't found anything at all about this person having to register as a sex offender. So I'm really, really worried and curious about that. Is it that they lowered it? And I think that it might be that way, that this person may not be registering as a sex offender because it went from a felony of abuse down to a misdemeanor. And I don't know how the laws work in Kentucky, but me not being a lawyer and me just assuming maybe that it's now a misdemeanor or something minor, that this person will not register as a sex offender. Probably have to edit that out because I really do want to get this on YouTube so people can see this. So I might bleep that. We'll say S offender. But really, like, what the man? Like, sick. This is just sick crap. And I hate that I got to watch my words because of YouTube, but it's horrible. It's straight horrible that now, along with all the other stuff going on with the legal system and people getting off free, from beating up cops, and now, hey, it's okay, we'll see you at the court date in a month. But now this too. I think when you do such a heinous crime to a child, you forfeit everything. I don't care if you were legal or illegal immigrant, a U.S. citizen, a foreign dignitary from a foreign country that comes to America and does this. If you are trans, gay, lesbian, whatever you want to be, you do this to a child, you forfeit everything. Your estrogen pills is definitely out the window. Like, who cares? Shame on that judicial system that allowed this person to pretty much walk, from my understanding, and pretty much not going to register, from my understanding. And of course, if I'm wrong in any of this, then go ahead and correct me in the comments below. Or if you have a link that states whether they will or will not be registering an offender, an S offender, then yeah, let me know so I can read up on it and possibly do another video or part 2 of this video. But what are your thoughts? Comment below. Yeah, we definitely just got to do better. We got to protect the kids. Heinous and wrong. The legal system is flawed. Um, People getting away with practically anything and everything and just being let on the streets is shameful. It's disgusting. I don't know what else to say, but um, please share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, but definitely share to get this information out, because if you actually do a search on this in Google, there's nothing there. If you go to Google, put this person name in, Maria Childers, and go to news, there's literally nothing there. It talks about other people named Maria, other people named Maria Childers, and all that other stuff, but nothing about this news report. And this just happened roughly about last night, because according to some of the news reports I read on the time and date when this was posted. So roughly about last night, this broke out in the social space, but no one's reporting on it. No one's talking about it. So definitely share it. Um, yeah. So there's only a handful of sources that are reporting on this, news outlets. Very few. Mostly bloggers that are finding out this information, such as myself, and just presenting the information. Like anything, I'll have the links down below for you to check out. But definitely share this if you can. Get this information out. If you do this to a child, you forfeit everything. Your pills, anything, all that, done.